Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload posts on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. Begin by opening your X application. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Post. Then add the video or image that you want to post. Then add comment. You can add location if you want to. Once you are done, tap on the post button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can upload posts on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too, so you will know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.